What's up YouTube? It's your boy Mitch here with BMORETALKS, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make tattoo ink. It's going to be part 2 of, I don't know, probably about 4 or 5 of them to go, because I know a bunch of ways to make different inks. But let me go ahead and get set up, and we'll get this started. With this ink though, just remember, I prefer you guys use it as a stick and poke. You guys can use this with a machine if you make enough of it. Alright, but once again, let me get set up, and we'll get it started. Alright guys, what's up? I'm all set up now. Alright, well I'm going to let you guys know what you need. So you guys are going to need a bowl filled with water. Alright, could be hot, could be cold, whatever. You guys are going to need either a spoon or a butter knife, whichever. Once again, me, I put paper underneath my bowl just in case. I mean, not that it's going to stop too much water, but it does help. But I do always have a piece of paper right here, so I can have a lid, cap, bottle, whatever you guys want to put your ink in. Just have that and set it right here. And what you guys are going to be using is cards, actually. Alright, playing cards. Now, my opinion, I would use Bicycle. The reason I say that is because there are some brands out there that you can't do this with. Alright, I've always been lucky with Bicycle, and honestly, that's all we ever used was Bicycle. But just make sure that they're either Bicycle or there is other brands. I'm just not sure what they are, but I know standards, they don't work. All right, so if you have standard brand playing cards, they will not work at all. But like I said, Bicycles, this is what the box looks like. So what you're gonna do is take your card, all right, just drop it in the water, let it submerge in there for about a minute. All right, what people don't know is that playing cards are actually 2 different layers. Alright, and in the middle, there's actually ink. It's pretty cool, isn't it? What you're going to do is you're going to take your spoon or your butter knife, whatever, and bring all your ink to the end of your card. You don't have to add no water. You don't have to do any of that. Alright? Just keep scraping it down. And me, I do like 2 or 3 cards at a time. And that's what I've got with 2 cards so far. Well, actually, 2 sides, I apologize. This is 1 card, just both sides. But yeah, what a lot of people don't know is with these playing cards is actually it's 2 pieces of paper. Alright? And then there is actually a layer of ink in between it. So whenever they get wet, you can separate them. Just whenever they're in the water, start rubbing them together. Rub your fingers together like this, and it'll slowly separate. Alright? But try to get the ink off there as soon as possible because it will dry up pretty quick. Alright, and then just put it inside whatever you have. I have an ink cap, but you can put it inside your bottle or whatever you have. Of course, you can use a Mountain Dew lid. It doesn't matter. So hopefully that was pretty helpful, and hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think. Hit me in the comments below, just like always. And once again, I want to thank everybody for supporting me. I've only been doing this for about 3 months now between the abandoned buildings and sometimes the DIYs, but it really seems like you guys are enjoying the DIYs, so I'm actually going to start dropping more of them. But I do have another ink video, or another 5 of them, to be honest. So let me know what you guys think once again in the comments below, and just like always, man, see you guys on the next one.